Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Y70. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Y70 is getting ridiculously hot, you're not alone. This overheating can be caused by dust buildup in the cooling system or failing thermal paste. If left unaddressed, it can lead to severe performance issues or even permanent damage to your device. Taking action promptly is essential to ensure your device runs smoothly and lasts longer. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, thermal paste, and some compressed air. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the back cover gently using the plastic prying tool. Be careful not to apply too much pressure as you could damage the casing. Once the back cover is off, locate the cooling fan and heat sink assembly. This is usually positioned near the CPU. If you see dust accumulation, use the compressed air to clean the area thoroughly. Next, you will need to remove the screws securing the heat sink. These are typically small Phillips screws, so take care not to lose them. After removing the screws, gently lift the heat sink off. You may need to wiggle it slightly to loosen the thermal paste. Once removed, clean the old thermal paste from both the CPU and the heat sink using a lint-free cloth. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the CPU, spreading it evenly. Reattach the heat sink, ensuring it fits snugly in place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, applying a moderate amount of force but being cautious not to over-tighten. Reconnect any cables you may have disconnected during the process. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back cover, making sure it clicks into place securely. Power on your device and monitor the temperatures to ensure everything is functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from recurring, make it a habit to clean your laptop's vents regularly and consider reapplying thermal paste every couple of years. This will help maintain optimum performance and prolong the life of your Lenovo Y70. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.